Hello, it's Hannah here and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I'll be talking about this approved use of Volkswagen Touareg 4Motion finished in a silicone grey paintwork. This 2025 model comes with a 3-litre V6 petrol plug-in hybrid engine and automatic transmission, perfect for a sporty family upgrade. This vehicle comes equipped with LED headlights for that great visibility, sat on stunning 22-inch Estoril black alloy wheels with the blue brake calipers, complementing the grey paintwork nicely. Making our way into the boot space, you can see this is a fantastic area of 665 litres, with a factory fitted tow bar, perfect for those who need to tow, and electric tailgate, perfect for those handful moments. Moving into the rear of the car with a full leather upholstery, offering a relaxing and stylish finish, with a pull-down armrest with cup holders built in, freeze-on air climate and charging ports are also accessible. Moving into the front with a multifunctioning steering wheel with central touch display, the full leather finish falls through to the front, allowing a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. And if that wasn't enough, you've got your panoramic sunroof, perfect for those sunny days. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connections. Here you can also access your heated steering wheel with 3 different heating settings, perfect for the colder days. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving on to the central infotainment system, you've got a variety of different radio stations that you can listen to keep you entertained along your journeys. The navigation system allows you to get your directions a lot easier and also making it safer whilst driving. App Connect allows you to connect your phone to the car so you can access apps such as Spotify, Apple Music or even your messages whilst on the go. For your extra safety, you've got your rear view camera and parking sensors, perfect for those awkward and tight manoeuvres, especially in busy car parks where parking can be tight. Your climate controls will be found on screen, where you can also access your ventilated seats with both cooling and heating settings. Finishing off with a central console with charging ports, cup holders and a central console armrest for any extra storage you may need. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.